Hi, welcome to the Lathe channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is Lathe leg. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then let's make a modern part now from the Solidworks interface. Let's start from top plane and make it a normal too, and then click to the sketch, click to this toggle, and select the center rectangle. Start from this point. For the first one, I want to set the 65mm for this horizontal line. Then 110mm from this vertical line. For the next step, click to this line and change for construction. And for be a mirror for the next. For the next step, click to the circle. Click to this. Click a smart dimension. Set the meter value to 14.5, and then there are information, and it is 2 holes. Set 25mm from this distance. And then from this line to this center, and it is 32mm. Next, click on mirror entities. Mirror about this line and select to this circle. For the next step, click to this toggle and click on midpoint line. Then make a vertical one. Click a smart dimension, and I want to set to 40mm for this line. For next, there are the distance 40mm, and then click to this line. Let's connect. Click to trim entities, and I want to remove the unnecessary line. Make sure time to cross is selected. Then apply. Click on feathers, and let's give the base body thickness by click extrude pass. Then I want to change the arrow and set the value to 10mm, then apply. Wow. For next, click to this surface and then click reference geometry and then go to plane. Change to 130mm from this dialog box, and then make sure this plane change to in this position, then click apply. From this new plan, click a sketch and then make it a normal tool. Right click and click to this line and select a midpoint line. From this option, I want to click for construction. Right click and click select. Press and hold the control button, then click to this midpoint line, then click to this line, make it a horizontal relation, and then set the line length to 125 millimeter and then apply. Set 70 millimeter from this side. Next, click to this circle and then click smart dimension to change the diameter value. .9 millimeter. And then I want to make a bigger one, and the diameter 40 millimeter. And then click this line, start from this point, then click trim entities, and I want to remove this unnecessary line, then okay. For the next step, let's copy to this position by clicking mirror entities and then mirror about. Click to this toggle, front plane, and click to this, and then make sure this circle is selected too, then okay. You can click Ctrl 7 to change to isometric view, and then click a mirror, then go to the extrude boss. Next, give 10 millimeter, then apply. If you want to hide this plane, click and select this icon hide. For the next step, let's click to this surface, click sketch, and then right click, press Ctrl X once more to change to normal too, and then click to this line, start from this point, and connect to this point, and then click smart dimension, then change this to 10 millimeter for this thickness. Wow. And then go to mirror entities, mirror bot, and then click to this toggle, mirror from front plane, and select to these entities. Then apply. Next, give the thickness by click of either. Then extrude boss. And then up to the surface, and then just click to this. Then apply. Next, click to the sketch. Ctrl 7 to change to isometric view. And then from this toggle, and I want to select to 3D select sketch, and then click to this line. From this point, you can click tab in the keyboard to change this arrow. Once more, tab, tab, and tab. Right click and click swag. And then let's change this distance for the first one, and all I'm sorry, and it's all to 32 millimeter for each distance. Then apply. Just click to this line, press and hold the control button, then click to this. Each line, then make it equal, then apply. Next, click to this line, start from this point, make sure this coordinate like this, and then connect to this sides. Right click and click select, and then click this line, right click, align, well, for the next step, click to this surface, right click, before that, then apply or done. Next, from this surface, you can click a sketch, and then click right click from this one and make it a normal too. Okay, click to this line, first line, click smart dimension, first this line, set to 55 millimeter. Next, line, and for this one, and it is set to 40 millimeter. Then for the last one, I'm set to 30. Oh, this important information, there is 28 millimeter. And then let's click to this line, start from this point, and then let's connect to each other. Then okay, click Ctrl 7 to change to isometric view, and then from front plane click sketch, and then click to this sketch and convert entities. So there is the sketch new, and then I want to remove the unnecessary line. Make sure term to close is selected, and then click Video, then go to Extrude Cut. From this direction one, just click on mid plane, and then just right, and then okay. If you want to hide this sketch, click hide, and this one too. Okay, next, click to this surface, click a sketch, and click a Ctrl 8 once more, and want to click this line for construction. Start from this position, and then I want to set the length, and it is 65 millimeter, and then click to this midpoint line, start from this point, click a smooth dimension, and make it a 55 millimeter, and then click to this line. Let's connect from this point to this position and click select, and then click on mirror entities to copy this mirror bot, this line, and click to this line to from this entities to mirror, and then okay. Next, from click offset entities and then set the value to 10, reverse, so the yellow preview is outside, and then apply. Next, click term entities, make sure term to cost is selected, and then just drag. Then click to this line. Let's connect each line. Click a feeder and then extrude boss and set a value to 28mm. Change, then apply. Next, go to the surface, right click and click select, and then convert entities. Go to feeder and extrude boss. Give the thickness to 10mm. Change the direction by click to this one, then okay. Ctrl 7 to change to isometric view. Well, if you want to change this appearance, click to this icon, and I want to change for this RGB for the first one, and it is 231. From this green, set to 0, and for this blue, 154, and then apply. Next, click to this icon too. Let's change for sepal color, surface, right click to delete this one, select faces, and then I want to make it white. Then apply. Control 7. Well, hi guys, this part is done. I hope you like this video and for this channel you can subscribe, and if you want to find similar tutorial like this video, you can click a playlist and search the exercise. And for the last, see you next time.